This shit, B. I feed the bird and the fucking eagle. The eagle come from out of nowhere. I'm fucking a eat the bird, yo. Look on this, people. What the fuck? Yo, the bird, bumble. Yo, low that. Yo, the blood clot eagle. I don't know where the fucking eagle come from. Look, see food there? And the chicken and the rice and the leg there. Chicken leg and the thing the bird I eat, the thing I eat, eh? I mean, I talk to the thing, you know. Me hungry here. I'm fucking crapings. I'm like, what the fuck? But look, it's a fucking eagle. Oh, fuck that National Geography. I forgot.
Hey, when Big Bird come down, no more chicken. It's your boy Black Jesus. You hear that Jamaican? Pulo, bomba cloud. Yeah. Hey, let's get my money. You know what I'm saying? When Big Bird come down, no more chicken. That nigga clouded that eagle. Fuck that bitch up, man. That bitch ain't want the food. That bitch want that bird. Shit. You know I had to add that shit on.
Y'all already know. Y'all already know. Black Jesus, Willie Dread in this bitch. DELRAY, Beach 33444. Come get your HED. Hey. Run it back, bitch. Run it back, hoe. 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 You ain't ready for this motherfucking shit. Sticking up a bitch and take this dick. 1-5 on that bitch and that shit. Hoe love me and I don't love that tree. Can't trust nobody in this motherfucking gang. Can't trust no people in the calling out my name. They speeding in their car, holding out the game, but when they broke, motherfucker, they yelling out my name. Run it back, bitch. Run it back, hoe. Run it back, bitch. Run it back, hoe. Run it back, bitch. Run it back, hoe. Fire in that pussy. One time. Black Jesus, let me cough one time. Mic check on that pussy and I'm like that. Ripping on motherfuckers, then I fight back. Disrespect me, nigga, I'ma hit back. Talking no shit, I'ma fix all that. Pull out the trunk and then you know what I got. Motherfucker, rock, ta, 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 ta. Fire in the garden, I'ma see them no fire. Willie Dread, Black Jesus running ride. Run it back, bitch. Run it back, hoe. Run it back, bitch. Run it back, hoe. Run it back, bitch. Run it back, hoe. My name Willie Dread in case you didn't fucking know. One time sitting there and look a motherfucking talk. Nigga talking shit, nigga acting like they a boss. Who the motherfucker on that virtual DJ? Pussy nigga, man. Nigga, I don't play. Slap you in your motherfucking shit. Run it back, bitch. Run it back, bitch. Run it back, hoe. Run it back, bitch. Run it back, hoe. Run it back, bitch. Run it back, hoe. 5 on yo, hey, 1-5, don't need to those sides. That's that nigga right there, he gon' die. Hit that nigga with the 5 one time. That pussy nigga talking shit, that pussy nigga lie. Nigga owe your money, just do what you do. Fuck that nigga up, fuck so cool. We don't give a fuck, we gon' take his bitch. Cause run it back, bitch. Run it back, ho. Run it back, bitch. Run it back, ho. Run it back, bitch. Run it back, ho. Run it back, bitch. Black Jesus on that motherfucking shit. Hey, that's your boy, SLUT Theory University. Go get your HED, your whole educational development. DELRAY Beach 33444. You know, I gotta let y'all know where I might check it from though. Florida in this bitch. Not yet. I love blackjesus.com. Go check it out. Go check it out, man. 48hourshiphop.com. Go check it out, man. Nigga, I ain't playing, bitch. Listen. I'm just having fun on them hoes. Yeah. And then you can give me the pussy. Now you can offer me the pussy because the song is over. This your boy Willie Dread, Black Jesus. And I say Zizzy Quick, I bet you too. Y'all already know. Don't understand the funk, bitch. DELRAY Beach, Florida in the highs. Y'all already know.